Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, select the entire column range you want to change into a row. Make sure the selection includes any headers you want moved. Press Ctrl+C or choose Edit, then copy to place the cells on the clipboard. Confirm the copied range by looking for the moving dashed outline. If your data includes blank cells, consider filling or removing them before pasting. Keep an eye on hidden rows or filters that might alter what you actually copied. Next, select the top left cell of the target row where you want the data to start. Right-click and choose Paste Special, then transpose to flip the column into a row. In Excel, you can press Ctrl+Alt+V then E to open Paste Special Transpose quickly. In Google Sheets, use Edit then Paste Special then Transpose from the menu. Make sure the destination row range is empty to avoid accidental overwrites of existing data. If you want the row to update with source changes, use the transpose function instead. Enter equals transpose, A1, A10, and press Enter to create a dynamic horizontal array. To make a static copy, use Paste Special Transpose and then choose Paste Values to remove formulas. If formatting is unwanted, use Paste Values or Clear Formats after pasting. Finally, verify numeric formats and recalculation by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.